blah 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 blended, and then after the research suggests number of support blended, right? Provides support, right? It's there. I mean, there is a certain structure to it, but you must understand what when you write a paper, you must show that there's a certain flow. You start off with broad, why is it important, state the knowledge gap if you know straight, what your area can support, what can be supported to show that there is the knowledge gap is current as well as important enough to address. And then you can put on my research questions. I tend to notice when I review the ones that really state my research question, the research question is 1, 2, 3. That's definitely from a PhD. Right? That's a new guy who writes. Right? The old guys who write, they don't do that. They will say the purpose of this, the objective of this paper, blah, blah, blah. And you figure out what the research question is. Right? But if they say so succinctly, the research question is 1, 2, 3, it's definitely from the research purpose. Right? But that's where you start. Right? You start it off that way. You know your chapter 1? That's the introduction if you're writing. Right? So your introduction is basically your chapter 1. Okay? So, but you have to summarize it within maybe 2 or 3 paragraphs. Don't spend too long on it, because then you're just talking. Right? You see? Straight away, what are my research? The purpose of the research is always the last few sentences. So you get everybody so excited at the beginning, and so on, and then you say, this is what I'm going to do. Could be anything, could be learning, could be, I don't know, knowledge management, could be art, could be whatever. This is what I'm going to do. They always state that in the introduction. Why? Because they want it to be very clear. They want it to be focused. They want the reader to know this is what I'm doing. And then they start off with the literature. That's almost standard in all journals, right? They do it. This is one I reviewed that is very good. I say it's a good paper. There's one not so good. I mean, it goes on and on. Remember, doesn't mean you have a lot of citations. That means it's very good. Sometimes, you know, because citations are just citations. You need to have a flow to it. You need to have some logic that comes into it. That shows intelligence, and it shows organization, it shows focus.